This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, it is 4 o'clock. I'd like to call the continuation of the board meeting from Thursday, what's the date?
May 5th.
May 5th, to order. It is 4 o'clock. Our first order of business, do we want to, yes, do you want to do the pledge?
Continuation.
Okay, we're just going to do a continuation. So Tony, should we go right into?
We can go right into it. The quorum's been established, and this is the item. We have 2 items on the agenda from a district council perspective. And the first one, Mr. Board, is a closed door session of the district attorneys on pending litigation style gateway services community development district versus Foreline Inc. DBA Foreline Waterworks case number 22-CA-000466, pending in the circuit court in and for the 20th Judicial Circuit, Lee County, Florida. And Mr. Chairman, if you could, I have provided a handout for you to review. Read the conduct of the May 10th, 2022 attorney-client session under section 286.011, section 8 for the statutes, and if you read the section on commencing of session by the chair.
Yes, and before, if we can make sure when we're speaking today, just make sure that that we speak loudly, because we don't have microphones up front, so we can make sure all the board member can hear.
One other aspect too, the full reportation testimony, conversation, one at a time, and no nods of the heads and no shakes of the head. All had to be.
Okay, are we supposed to have what Doug is reading?
No, I'm going to read this. This is just to open up. So at this time, we're going to commence an attorney-client session between the Board of Supervisors and the Gateway Service Community Development District and our attorneys. This session will be closed to members of the public under section 286.118 of the Sunshine Law, and governmental body may meet in private with its chief executive officers and his attorney to discuss certain matters relating to pending litigation. The subject matter of the attorney-client session shall be confined to settlement negotiations or strategy sessions related to litigation expenditures concerning pending litigation to which the district is presently a party before the court, court-style Gateway Service Community Development District versus Foreline Inc., DBA Foreline Waterworks, case number 22-CA-000466, pending in the circuit court in and for the 20th Judicial Circuit, Lee County, Florida. This session will be recorded by a certified court reporter who is directed to record the times and commencement and termination of the session, the names of all persons speaking, and all discussions and proceedings. Upon the conclusion of this litigation, a transcript of this session will be made part of the public record. The estimated length of the session is approximately half hour, but may be terminated early or extended longer. The following persons will attend this closed session: Supervisor Doug Banks, Ed Tinkle, Robert Geppert, William Guy, and Laura Leroy, Interim District Manager. As the district's Chief Administrative or Executive Officer, District Counsel Anthony P. Piers Jr. and Lenore T. Brakefield, and a court reporter. Let the record reflect that pursuant to the requirements of the Sunshine Law, notice has been given of the time and date of today's closed session, as well as the names of the participants and evidence by a copy of the notice published on May 9th, 2022 in the Fort Myers News Press. The time is now 4:04.
Yes, and Mr. Chairman, if I may, I'll hand this to the court reporter, and she can fix it to the transcript when it's delivered as the copy of the Fort Myers News Press. And I will now close the door to the public.
All right, hang on.